Good day everyone. Our topic is cooling and humidifying. So our problem one is finding the mass of water we move per hour for 5 kg per second dry air. Cooling from 32 Celsius dBT and 50% of RH to 80 Celsius and 80 Celsius dBP and 95% of RH. So our solution is MW equals mass over dA times W1 minus W2. So using W1 is 0.030 and W2 is 0.0105. If ang atong W1 at W2 napatol sa chromatic chart, which is napatol sa 32, 50, plus 18 or 25. So our MW equals 5 times 0.030 minus 0.0105 is equals to 0.0125. So kilogram water per second, kilogram air per second. So ang question is per hour, so ito siya i-times sa 10,600 minus 45 kilogram per hour. So our problem 2 is find the heat load if air is cold to 16 Celsius, then we heat it to 22 Celsius at 1.8 kg per second mass flow rate. So our solution is pure heat equals MdACP times delta T. So our one, so ngayon mo ng mga given na tayo mass na 1.8. Mga itong dCP is 1.006 which is air, and times T3 into minus T2 is 16 equals 10.8 kilowatts.